T300 Unpacking and Installation. The package of the T300 Smart Trainer includes the main unit, a quick-release lever, a 130 to 135 dropout converter, a power cord, a 10-speed flywheel spacer, a Bluetooth signal receiver, and a product manual. At the same time, you can purchase Magene 11-speed cassette, through-axle converter, floor mats, and other accessories according to your needs. Quick release installation. Take the Smart Trainer out of the packing box, pull the orange lever, and open the legs of the trainer until they click into place. Then, install your cassette to the free hub body of the Smart Trainer. First, put the cassette sprockets onto the free hub body in order from largest to small, and pay attention to aligning with free hub body grooves. If you are using a Shimano 10-speed or lower cassette, you should put the cassette spacer onto the free hub body before installing the cassette. Then use a cassette lock ring tool to lock the cassette locking ring. Next, insert the dropout converter to the left side of the trainer. Pay attention to the orientation depending on the width of your bike's dropouts. With the dropout converter in place, insert the quick release lever into the trainer from the left side and place the conical springs on the left and right ends of the quick release lever with the pointed ends facing inward. Then, remove the rear wheel of your bicycle. Install the frame on the trainer and lock the quick release. Through axle installation. After installing the cassette, use a 5mm hex wrench to unscrew the quick release cap at the base end of the free hub body counterclockwise. Then, screw the through axle and cap into the original position and lock it with a wrench. Then, insert the through axle dropout converter into the left side of the trainer and choose the appropriate direction according to the specifications of your bike. Finally, remove the rear wheel of your bicycle. Install the frame on the trainer. Insert and lock the through axle. XDR free hub body installation. Use a 5mm hex wrench to unscrew the end cap of the free hub body and pull out the original free hub body. Then, insert the XDR free hub body you purchased into the trainer. Turn it counterclockwise and press down the ratchet pawl of the free hub body until unit is fully installed in place. Then, tighten and lock the quick release or through axle end cap according to your needs. Activate calibration. First, connect the Smart Trainer to the power source. Download and install the Magene utility app on your mobile phone. Then, turn the pedals to turn the Smart Trainer and observe whether the indicator light is on. Open the Magene utility app, search for devices, and connect to the Smart Trainer. After connecting, the system will prompt you to activate. Fill in your email address, obtain and fill in the verification code, and click Activate to activate successfully. After the activation is successful, enter the Smart Trainer connection interface. Click on the spin down calibration. Follow the prompts to pedal the Smart Trainer to the specified speed. The trainer will automatically complete the spin down calibration.